In the following part, we would like to demonstrate how to reprocess Isolette 8000 or Isolette 8000 Plus. Instructions for reprocessing are based on internationally accepted guidelines. Dräger recommends cleaning the Isolette 8000 Plus weekly and between patients, or as per your hospital's protocol. Observe all caution and warning statements in the user manual. For example, first, confirming the oxygen supply is turned off and the equipment is disconnected from the oxygen supply. And second, unplugging the device from its power source before cleaning. For routine cleaning, there is no need to separate the hood and shell assemblies from the trolley. If separation is necessary, contact Dräger service. Switch off the device and all devices connected to it. Disconnect the power plug. Pull the hand-poured gaskets from all sides of the hood to remove them. Pull the hose grommets from each side of the hood to remove them. If equipped with the optional iris ports on the side access panels, remove the disposable iris port sleeves from the retainer rings. Wipe the retainer rings clean. Discard disposable sleeves. Refer to the user manual for further information. Disconnect the cables from the sensor module. Remove the sensor module. Slowly raise the hood. If the incubator is equipped with a weighing scale, follow these steps. Remove the cable from the clamps that hold it to the incubator. Remove mattress. Lift the scale from the bed. Remove the bed and X-ray tray, which is placed inside the bed. Remove the T-bars. Remove the upper cover. For devices that do not have the humidification system option, simply remove the heater impeller cover. For devices with the optional humidification system, pull the water reservoir partially out and then remove the heater impeller cover and the duct cover. Be careful. The heater could be hot enough to cause burns. Avoid removing or touching the heater until the device has been switched off for at least 45 minutes. When the device has cooled, remove the heater radiator. Pull the impeller off the motor shaft. Disconnect the condensation management hose from the collection bottle located underneath the left side of the incubator. Be aware that the collection bottle could contain patient fluids. Remove the clamp from the condensation management hose and discard. Remove the condensation management hose. First, turn the plug at the bottom of the heater 90 degrees counterclockwise. Then pull the hose plug assembly out completely. Discard the collection bottle and hose plug assembly in accordance with your hospital guidelines. Slide the reservoir assembly out from the front of the incubator shell. Be careful. The water in the humidifier chamber could also be hot enough to cause burns, so use caution when emptying or handling the reservoir. Pull the latch on top of the water reservoir lid forward and remove the lid. empty any remaining water in the reservoir. Lift the latches on the side of the water reservoir and remove the humidifier from the humidifier chamber. For reprocessing, please use disinfectants that are nationally approved and are suitable for the particular reprocessing procedure. Please use surface disinfectants from the following list. You can find this list within the user manual. The manufacturers of the surface disinfectants have verified the spectra of activity as bactericidal, yeasticidal, and virucidal, or virucidal against enveloped viruses. For more detailed information, reference the manufacturer's instructions for using disinfectants. The composition of disinfectants may change. Oxygen-releasing agents and chlorine-releasing agents may cause color change in some materials. Color change does not indicate that the product is not functioning correctly. Remove soiling immediately. Use a cloth dampened with disinfectant to remove soiling. Be careful to only perform surface disinfection on device surfaces and cables. Ensure that no liquid penetrates the device. When cleaning the incubator shell and the surface of the air circulation wall, prevent liquids from entering the motor shaft opening. Use an intermediate level cleanser or disinfectant to clean all surfaces of the hood thoroughly: inner double walls, hand ports, and access panels. Clean catches. Clean locking button and door latch. Clean edge and rim. Clean inner wall latch. Clean grommet. Clean sensor module opening. To release the inner double wall, press the catches at the top of the inner double wall. Be sure to clean all holes and indentations. After the product has been exposed to the disinfectant for a specific contact time, remove residual disinfectant. Wipe with a cloth dampened with water, preferably drinking water quality. Then dry with a clean cloth or paper towel. Clean and disinfect grommets and gaskets. Clean and disinfect mattress, mattress tray, X-ray tray, cover, and scale. After the disinfectant manufacturer recommended contact time, make sure to rinse all surfaces with water, drinking quality, and dry off with a clean cloth. Wipe away any fluids that may have accumulated in the heater well. Check for fluids that may have dripped onto the bottom surface of the water reservoir opening. If fluids are present, use a clean cloth dampened with a cleaner or disinfectant to wipe the surfaces dry. Clean and disinfect the controller, shell, trolley, and attached trolley parts, and the IV pole. Clean heater radiator and fan impeller. Important: do not steam sterilize parts when disassembling for cleaning. Do not immerse the heater assembly in liquid. Remove any lint buildup on the heater radiator and fan impeller. Wipe the heater assembly using an intermediate level cleanser or disinfectant. Wipe the water reservoir assembly clean using an intermediate level cleanser or disinfectant. Please refer to the user manual for further instructions. We recommend cleaning the humidification system at least every 7 days. Ensure that the filter is routinely checked and replaced as recommended in the user manual. Do not attempt to clean the air inlet filter. Cleaning can damage the filter. Only clean the filter chamber and its cover. Install a new air inlet filter if needed. After the disinfectant manufacturer recommended contact time, make sure to rinse all surfaces with water, drinking quality, and dry off with a clean cloth. Install a new collection bottle, hose plug assembly, and clamp. Install the heater radiator and fan impeller. Install the heater impeller cover and the duct cover. Reinstall the humidifier and the water reservoir assembly. Insert it fully into the humidifier chamber and secure it by closing the two latches. Reinstall the lid on the water reservoir and push back the latch on top of the lid to secure it. Insert the water reservoir assembly in the shell with the latch open. Then slide it in fully and lock it in place by pushing in the latch. Reattach any accessories which were previously removed from the device. Please note, the humidification system with the heater impeller cover with duct cover must be used with the appropriate software version. Before installing the upper cover, make sure that the hood is raised, as installing the upper cover when the hood is down may result in damage to the upper cover. Install the upper cover. Install the T-bars on the upper cover. Install the bed, X-ray tray, and scale. Visually and physically examine the mattress for any holes or cuts that enable the entry of fluids onto the inner foam. If the mattress is damaged, replace it. Place the mattress into the incubator, ensuring the cover is installed on the mattress before reuse. To close the hood, pull the locking mechanism. Install sensor module and cable. Plug in the sensor module. Make sure the sensor module plugs in correctly. Plug scale into the sensor module. Connect scale to the sensor module. Reinstall the filter. If equipped with the optional iris ports on the side access panels, install the new disposable or reusable iris port sleeves. Install the smaller diameter elastic band of a new sleeve over the inner ring of the port housing. Fold back and slip the larger elastic band over the outer ring of the port housing. To close, rotate the outer ring. If properly installed, the sleeve opens again when rotation is reversed. Install the hose grommets into the front and rear edges of each side of the hood. Install a hand port gasket on each hand port. Orient each gasket so that the two tabs on the gasket are on the hinge side of the door opening, and the single tab is on the latch side of the door opening. Ensure with slight pressure that the hand port latch engages. The hand port opens when the latch lever is pressed. Check the product for visible damage and replace if necessary. A complete functional check is required before returning the device for use.